So we have learned so many things in this class. And in conclusion, we have learned that life is different for everyone because it's based on their own personal beliefs. What I liked the most was that how overall we were able to see the two sides of each coin. But of course, things aren't always black or white. In the Summing Up Ethics in Good Life section, we watched a crash course video of where John Green mentions what a philosopher is and how philosophers think about the why of things and in life. And even though I'm not a philosopher yet, I can relate to this because I've always wanted to know the why of things. Ever since I was a little girl, like all kids, but on to my adult life, I've always asked, why does this happen? Like, why is this called a hand and not tomatoes or something? And that's why I'm so grateful for Google, because if Google wasn't invented, everyone else would get so annoyed with me. But I've also just thought about how my whole life I've always kind of neglected to know or care about things that I don't really agree with. So I think, for example, of religion, and I'm not a religious person, so I've always saw the other side of like being super religious, just kind of like extra. And those classes made me realize that everything is the way it is because of the way people think about things. So, but I've also come to realize it's just how their brain works, and it's their own beliefs, and also because believing in things makes people happy and it makes them feel good. Kind of like not believing in religion makes me feel good. So from now on, I should just do my research and understand those people, even if I don't believe the same things that they do. I think that is what being a philosopher is. I also agree with Thomas Hobbes in his contrarian belief in the sense of social contracts and how we need them to limit the freedom of our own selfish needs. We as humans can be pretty selfish. The other day, I actually watched a miniseries on Netflix. It's called National Parks, and it's narrated by Barack Obama. I fully recommend it. And it made me realize how, as humans, we have affected the evolution of certain animals, and made me think about all the things that we want in our lives, such as nice cars, big houses, nice clothes, and all that stuff that we think every single day. And because of social contracts, in a sense, we've been able to halt the destruction of these habitats and animal ecosystems. But let's say even if we stopped wanting all these things tomorrow, well, we can't fully stop wanting them, or at least making them, because we're at that point now. We're just not capable of returning to living like animals and just like a free-for-all kind of freedom, because we still need beliefs and we need structure in order to keep our own safety and the safety of other people.